Hi, kindergarten and first grade. It's Mrs. Donnell here, your art teacher, and today we're going to draw an abstract design. Abstract means that it doesn't really have to look like anything. It could be circles, shapes, blobs, whatever you want to make. Today we're going to use some things that we find around the house, circle shapes, to trace around, and I'm going to show you how. Then we're going to trace it and make it look beautiful. And then we're going to send it to Mrs. Donnell on Canvas this week, and that will be our project. And on the PowerPoint, on the slides that I showed you, you saw all different kinds of artists that use dots. So we're going to be artists today, and we're going to make a drawing with dots. So come on, let's get started. To start out, we're going to need some circles, different shapes that we can trace, and a pencil. Like you could use a big circle. That's going to be a problem with those little tabs though. So I got some little circles that I'm going to trace. I'm going to use my pencil to trace around it. Do your best. Going all the way around. If you need some help, maybe somebody at your house could hold it while you're tracing it, but it should look kind of like that. And I'm going to just do more big circles, little circles, and some circles that I drew myself on this paper too. So I'm just going to speed it up so you can see all the different circles that I drew.
See, I'm just adding them on, then I'm going to add some smaller ones even inside of the first circles, just to make a variety of different circles. I'm filling my paper up. There you go. Well, some different shapes, zigzag lines, whatever you want to draw inside your circles.
When I got finished, it looked kind of like this. And I'm going to use my black Sharpie to trace around all the lines. It's great practice to learn how to trace on top of lines. You could also use a dark crayon or a dark marker to do this job. Or if you don't have any of those things, you could just leave it out. I like it a bold line. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and trace all of them. I'll speed it up for you. That's what I ended up with. Yours can look however you want it to look. A bunch of circles is the look that we're going for. And I'm just going to use these fancy crayons I have in the art room to color. And of course, some markers. Another way to add some variety. Add 2 different art supplies. And I'm going to go ahead and try to stay in those lines and color my circles. You could color the background too, but I'm just going to color the circles and all the designs that I made. And you know I like to speed it up, so let's speed it up so you can see it when it's done. And here is my finished abstract dot design. You see that I used a lot of lines, different type of lines in different colors. And the one thing that's the same is there's dots. So I can't wait to see your abstract dot design. Remember, it doesn't need to look like anything specific. Abstract is the look that we're going for. I can't wait to see your art, so send it to me on Canvas. Talk to you next time.